Good morning, it's about 6 in the morning. I kind of just woke up, enjoying my coffee, and today should be a good day. So I kind of just spent the past 3 hours working. Finally done at least with the project for the day. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some errands done and I'll be back. This is Dji Osmo 3. Mobile Osmo 3. It's a pretty long name, but anyways, this thing is actually pretty incredible. What's new this year since the 3rd generation? First of all, USB-C, and even better, while you're shooting, you can literally charge your phone, which is pretty convenient. Has a pretty solid battery so far, and the biggest feature is that it folds. This and that. What makes it much easier to travel with. You can literally take it and it comes with a tiny little pouch that makes it honestly makes me feel a little bit more comfortable to take it with me everywhere. And even better, if you take the full package, which is about $20 more, comes with a carrying case and a little stand that I'll show you guys in a sec. I'm gonna turn that on, even though there isn't anything on it. Oops, because there isn't a phone. What this does, honestly, does make your phone footage much better. And if you rely a lot on your phone as a camera, this will literally improve it so much, especially in video. While you're walking, while you're running, it makes the footage a lot more stable. I'll show you guys some examples. And what's great about it, has kind of a sports tracking mode. There's a little trigger that you double hit here twice, and it will lock in on whatever object is there. And that way you can move in freely and it would follow that object if you're running or whatever you're doing. On the app itself, there's a story mode where you can be super creative, and supposedly DJI will keep on updating that and improving it. I'll show you guys examples, some of those. Some of them are kind of fun, others kind of finicky, but you can honestly get really creative. And I'll show you the carrying case. Just a bit like this. It's pretty nice. And last but not least is the little stand, which I think is worth it. There it is. It just kind of folds up and it goes right in the bottom here. Overall, for the price, I think if you're using your phone to take a lot of videos, this is absolutely worth it. And what's so great about it, it makes, the camera that's in your pocket, just kind of push it to the next level. And for that, I'll give it a solid 8 out of 10.